Delivery!
You are now watching Doorbell News.
ELK GROVE, California. Check her out. Looks like she's trying to figure out the passcode or something. Does anybody know this lady? The homeowner doesn't. The homeowner comes outside and has a few words for her. Let's see what happens.
Hi. Hi, I'm sorry, I must have got in the house.
Yeah.
I apologize.
Okay. Huh. No worries.
Los Angeles, California. Yeah, that sounds like LAPD chopper is looking for this guy. Once the chopper's on you, there's no hiding, buddy. Yeah, they got him. Make sure you thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this.
Alright, we're gonna check you all about a caller, right? You're on probation? No? Okay, we're gonna step up. This is your stuff?
Erie, Pennsylvania. We got another guy trying to run and hide. He hides behind this homeowner's shed. Yeah, let's see how things end up for this guy. He peeks out to make sure the coast is clear. Phoenix, Arizona. A food delivery driver notices a kitten on someone's porch, so he sends this lady upstairs to take the kitten.
You guys, what are you doing? Dude, slow down. I'm gonna fucking pay, man. Fuck this shit. Hey, home. Yeah?
McKeesport, Pennsylvania. Check her out. It's 2:30 in the morning. She's ringing people's doorbells, and she seems lost, but the homeowner has a few words for her. Let's see what happens.
Can I help you?
Camera. Door.
Can I help you? My boys are sleeping in here. Why are you ringing my doorbell?
Listen, I'm so sorry. Y'all don't know me. I don't know y'all. Listen, my phone had died, and I was waiting for a lift. I don't even know where I'm at. Like, I just see my
Yeah,
phone.
I've got two little boys sleeping in here. Please stop ringing my doorbell.
I mean, I get it. I'm sorry. I apologize. I just needed to charge my phone.
I'm sorry, I can't help you, and my youngest son is now up. Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine, man.
Yeah, get lost.
It's fine. I'm just out here. You got two little boys, and I got a little girl, 1-year-old, at my house.
Los Angeles, California. So this guy tries to snag someone's package, but the homeowner pulls up just in time. Miami, Florida. This lady is seen taking someone's shoes off their porch. Hey, put those back. Glendale, Arizona. Check this guy out. Hey. Columbus, Ohio.
Hello?
What are you doing?
Hey, man, step away from my eyes. I'm gonna call the cops, bro.
Birmingham, Alabama. Yeah, better keep those doors locked. Looks like this guy's trying to conceal his face. This is pretty creepy. Meanwhile, in McKeesport, does anyone know this lady? It's 2:30 in the morning. She's going around ringing everybody's doorbell. Miami Beach, Florida. So this guy set up camp in someone's yard, but the homeowner has a few words for him.
Yeah, but I've never been here.
Yo, fucking leave now, man.
Los Angeles, California. Check her out. Sacramento, California. Yeah, this is why you shouldn't leave keys under your doormat. Phoenix, Arizona. It's 5 a.m. and this lady's going around wiggling doorknobs and knocking on people's doors. Does anybody know this lady? San Jose, California. We got another mat checker. So this guy's looking under someone's doormat, and then when he doesn't see a key, he gets upset, I guess, and he grabs some type of ornament and slams it into their car. Can't even leave your car in the driveway anymore. Erie, Pennsylvania. You better get that food delivery quick. This lady grabs somebody's food delivery and runs off. Meanwhile in Erie, oh yeah, you thought you were hiding behind a shed, huh? They end up finding this guy hiding behind a shed. Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Thanks for watching.
Just had it on my head. Look, it's on body camera here. So what? I know, and I'm on body camera. It's on your knee. Hey, guys, that's not too fucking much. Fucking why is that? So what? I'm the fucking police.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.